Oh, that I've done all the time.
Oh.
Not just in love, just generally. I just like to cheat.
So all I heard was अंधेरी से बांद्रा, बांद्रा से दादर, दादर से मुंबई सेंट्रल तेज जाएगी.
You know, you are my love, but you sit with those two girls, and that isn't the right thing to do. Things.
So there have been embarrassing moments. I've gone into the girls' bathroom and been caught in Sophia. I remember by mistake. I mean, by the time I realized the mistake, I was already in. So the girls screamed. 2 girls screamed.
While playing a game of Never Have I Ever with the actors, like, the ones who are pretty much just actors or performers, is just easy. But getting answers from these comedians is quite the task, because half the time we actually end up laughing over petty situations, funny incidences, and well, they give you the best of stories that they have ever experienced. Well, आज मेरे साथ Never Have I Ever के इस खास सेगमेंट में जुड़ने वाले हैं one of the top 3 comedians जिनको आप देख रहे हैं Amazon Prime के सीरीज लॉल हंसे तो फंसे में. मैं बात कर रही हूँ साइरस बलोचा की, सुरेश मेनन एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट अंकिता श्रीवास्तव की. तो आइए चलिए बुलाते हैं इन तीनों को और जानते हैं कि ऐसी कौन सी अफवाह या फिर शायद ऐसा कौन सा प्रैंक है या फिर कौन से वक्त था जब इन्होंने गेट क्रैश की थी कोई वेडिंग. तो आइए चलिए करते हैं इनके सीक्रेट स्पिल्स इन्हीं के जरिए इन्हीं की जुबानी.
The first one. Never have I ever lied on missing a flight. Yeah, I've never missed a flight like that.
I can't miss a flight. About time, I'm like a Nazi. I hate to use the phrase. I was early for the interview by 5 minutes. I always wait for the journalist. I wait for the manager. I wait for the client. I wait for everybody. The shoot.
I'm always the first one on every set. Vanity Van aane se pehle dog.
I was before Ankita. She's lying, huh, Vishakha?
Never have I ever cheated on anyone.
Oh, that I've done all the time.
Oh.
Not just in love, just generally. I just like to cheat. That's not a problem. Your conscience only has a problem first time. उसके बाद कुछ ठीक नहीं.
उस जमाने में anyway आगे.
No for me too. Never have I ever gate crashed a wedding or a function.
100%.
Never.
Many times.
Never.
Many times.
Never.
Brocha has.
Cyrus, I really
We have gone from the one function in the same hotel to the other function because the booze and food was better, and it's so easy to do.
How come have you done that? But how
Because
come have you done that?
In a 5-star hotel, in a fancy hotel, if you go, you're dressed up. No one is calling the bluff. Uske baad. In the old days, again, I'm talking 20 years ago, there's no security or any fear. So you just dress up, then you say, "Isme khana khas nahi hai," whatever, and then talk amongst yourselves. Let's check that out. So they've done it so many times, yeah. And the host, you meet them, you say hello. Nobody asks you where you're from, nothing. And you always meet someone you know also at the wedding. 100% in the wrong wedding. Not to worry. These are great things. I encourage people to do this. This is the way India can become closer. You go to one wedding and leave and go to the second wedding. Then the third wedding, there are 3 there. Please go and enjoy. Each wedding will have better flavor. One will be better veg, one will be better non-veg, one will have daru, one won't have daru, one will have proper sangeet and music, one will be very orthodox. You have all these options. Enjoy the country. In just a little while, you can see the whole country and come back. And all you have to do is say, he's so finally got married, yaar, so good, yaar.
all I heard was अंधेरी से बांद्रा, बांद्रा से दादर, दादर से मुंबई सेंट्रल तेज जाएगी.
Never have I ever given a love letter to anyone or maybe got a love letter ever.
I've given.
वो तो even in convent girls, I mean, not that it is wrong, but दोस्ती में भी हम love letters भेजते थे. 6th standard में I remember opening my desk.
Ankita ji, और बताओ.
Tell me more. Yeah. So yeah, writing, convent schools में that literary thing, no, writing is a thing. You just like writing letters. तो लिखना तो you open your desk, you don't know किसका letter किस दिन आ रहा है, कौन सी लड़की का, उस क्लास की मॉनिटर का, किस क्लास की मॉनिटर का. So I've always had a lot of letters and I've written a lot of letters also. You are my love, but you sit with those 2 girls, and that isn't the right thing to do. Things.
I've written a love letter. I've written poems. I've written letters. I've received letters also. That too during the good old days of the postman coming in. Not the postcard. Postcard people could see the Indian letters, so it's nicely gummed and stuck from all ends, so nobody can open it. So if you reach it before anyone opens, gets to it in the house, So nobody messed around with the privacy anyway. So letters in your name, they used to get the letter anyway. So, but I've written. I used to write some lovely poems also. Those were the days.
Okay.
Not only I still write love letters because I'm alone. at home, and I feel lonely. And I
Right,
write
sir.
letters. I also write a lot of apology letters, Vishaka. Because whichever girl I've dated, I've had to say sorry. Something or the other has gone wrong. So I'm the king of the sorry letter. And my apologies is so different from my personality, which is cocky, loud, and not paying attention to the other
Yeah.
person. But my letter is very sensitive and also a different
Yeah.
side to me. Only thing is, my handwriting is like a 3-year-old, and I tend to write quotations in it. So most women get bored, start yawning, and then use it then for,
Who do
killing.
you quote?
Oh,
Rolling Stone gathers no moss.
Ankita, I make it up. You see, creativity is a beautiful thing. You just have to have a name that sounds like a poet.
Yeah.
Like if the name is Deshprem Sharma, immediately that sounds like a poet. You see, you just have to give the right name. Or in English, it would be like if you have a name like Bernard Livingston, it sounds like a poet. These things there's no such names. These aren't poets. But I make them up.
Never have I ever been the reason of major fight between my friends.
एक बार क्लास में हुआ था. Actually, I had left.
You were the
after
cause.
lunchtime. No, I was the cause. I remember this. So this guy who used to have this problem of farting after lunch. So that day I gave out a really good one. It was really stinky, and everybody looked at him. So even I looked at him and said, "इसी ने किया." And I remember that people didn't take very kindly to it. कि हर बार lunch के बाद तू क्यों करता है? No, that time बेचारा वो बोल भी रहा था, मैंने किया ही नहीं. But I was the reason. So
All Silsam. Excellent.
Sunil.
I'm proud of you.
Sorry.
Sunil Grover?
No, not Sunil Grover.
Sabka Sunil.
Class में कैसे हो सकते Grover?
Exactly. In that sense, they would fight. Like, why did you bring him? They would behind my back. They would say things like that.
Yeah.
इसको ये क्यों बुलाया यहाँ पे or whatever. That kind of thing. But I would not me causing directly a fight between anyone. No, that I would not do because I don't remember most of my friends. Some of them are dead because of my age. Some of them are just not in their senses. Like,
Yeah.
they say the same sentence again and again. You say, hi, how are you? They say, how are you? Then after a minute, they say, how are you again? It's like that. So, yeah, I don't even like visiting them. It's very scary. Suresh, you're much better now. But,
I know, thank
last
you.
week
How
was
are
not
you?
good.
How are you?
Never have I ever had a very weird experience with my fans.
I got kissed by a man in Lucknow. In Lucknow. Where are you from, Ankita Srivastav?
My dad's from Banaras, my mother's from Kanpur, but
Damn
I
you.
am.
Kanpur is 4 hours away. I was close. So we were doing a
I'm
Daler
from
Mehendi.
Bombay.
The Daler Mehendi show, and one guy came on stage at the end of the show and said, I love you, yaar. I don't think in a homosexual way, but he just came and he just kissed me on the lips on stage.
Oh, wow.
Maybe he thought I was Sajid. I used to get mistaken for Sajid a lot. Yeah. It's true. So there have been embarrassing moments. I've gone into the girls' bathroom and been caught in Sophia. I remember by mistake. I mean, by the time I realized the mistake, I was already in. So the girls screamed, 2 girls screamed. It looked like some creepers come in and all that. It was a genuine mistake. But a genuine mistake hoga, but to that person, it's never a genuine mistake who's in. Because you just look bad, I mean, it's difficult to explain. But there is a sign outside. May I just mention this? कि कभी-कभी ये जो artistic लोग हैं जो toilet की द्वार बनाते हैं ना, they put this kind of strange design.
Yeah, I did. In fact, I was shooting in Indore for a travel show, and there this guy came up to me and said, "आपको देख के बहुत मजा आता है, कितना बहुत बढ़िया काम करते हैं आप." And then he started talking to me in Gujarati. I was wondering what's wrong with him, So I just looked at him and he said. Then after some time, I realized that he thought I was Cyrus Brocha and I'm shooting for MTV. And he went on, I am also Parsi, he told me. Then I told him, Dikra, मैं Parsi नहीं है, so मैं Cyrus Brocha भी नहीं है, लेकिन thank you very much. और मैं उससे बहुत ज़्यादा better दिखता हूँ.
And he agreed?
He didn't agree. He just left the place. He was quite rude because he was making some Parsi bonding over there. Indore, I'll never forget.
Ankita, what about you? Have you had a very weird experience with fans?
Nothing
Ankita, how are
weird
you?
so far. I've only had very sweet experiences actually. I mean, किसी ने अपनी flight छोड़ दी 8 बजे की, रात की 2 बजे की ले ली because show हो रहा था. Yeah, there was, I think once I remember in Bandra I did a show and there was this, I don't know how this 80-year-old lady had come to see the show. This very Bandra shirt and skirt kind of a person. And she walked up from the 4th row up till the stage. 2 people held her and she patted on my cheeks and she said, I've laughed after ages. I don't remember the last time I laughed so much. So just keep doing what
Must
you're
have been
doing.
married, yeah.
80 years.
Yeah, she was very old. Like, abhi chali jayengi. So she was really old.
Nice
and
of
that
you.
part touched my heart. So whenever I'm low, I think of that moment. I'm like, what she said.
Was it?
I should
Aditi?
give that.
Never have
Yes.
I ever heard, read, or maybe have been told a rumor about myself.
I'm not so famous. So theek hai. The other
No,
one can continue.
I've been told lots of things about myself. rumors. No, they don't have to be famous. The friends tell you, like the other day were telling me, I heard that you misbehave with people in the gym and all that. So people tell you what bad behavior you've done. When I was drinking, lots of stories. So they tell me, you urinated on a guest and the fight broke out, and then we had to put people. I've done some bad things, Vishaka. I'm going to put it in a book, but mostly because of alcohol and girls. These two things have been bad for me. With boys, nothing. I should have been gay. I really want to be gay. I wish I wake up and I'm gay. All my problems would be solved. Suresh, but I can't come to you. I'll go for a younger guy.
Yeah, fine.
I mean, already bald, yaar. So, अपना future में क्या होगा? The eyebrows will go next. I mean, we're just go into it.
Okay, Suresh, have you heard a rumor about yourself? Ever read?
Yeah. I lot of rumors that I'm rude, arrogant at times. I don't know from where. Yeah,
what's the rumor?
Not possible.
It was that. Thankfully, it was actually a rumor. So, and then very weird rumors. But I just ignored all of them because rumors are rumors, and sometimes people spread it for the heck of it. So I never bothered about rumors really, but not many rumors because. Yeah, you need to be up there for something.
So the rumor about you dressing in a sari and standing at Versova Creek at 5 in the morning.
No, that was a show that I used to do with Sajid. That was regular. That was not a rumor. That was fact caught on camera.
People don't understand कि क्या करते हैं art के लिए यार. Really, shit. Unbelievable.
Yeah, one day I'd come out was gutter dressed like a woman, like Kamala in one of the episodes of AKPK, and one alliance was coming my way, arranged marriage. Thankfully, that completely got shattered in matter of seconds. So that was good. That was a good thing.
Was she pretty?
I don't know because in Malayalis it's ulta. They come and see the guys, so we get to see them afterwards.
Then you no chance, yaar. What do you say?
Any parting words?
Thank you, Vishal.
Fans को कहना चाहेंगे अपने show के बारे में?
I don't have any fans, but to my relatives, please stay safe and don't come here. Don't visit, please.
I just want to tell Andrew and Jose and Cyril that please pay me my money. They're the only 3 people who watch.
I like Cyril. Jose never answers the phone, so he's on my blacklist. I'm not sure who Andrew is.
His wife is also complaining that he never answers her phone and also never talks to her in the house.
That's a matter of.
Oh, that's a normal thing. Okay.
Yeah, just don't worry about that.
Well, thank you so much, guys. I've had a
Thanks,
great time
Vishaka.
hosting you 3. It was a pleasure having you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Our pleasure,
Thank you,
Vishaka.
Vishaka.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Vishaka.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching this fun segment with me, Vishaka Pandit. I could not at all control my laughter being with these 3 people in one frame. It was quite the endearing journey for me talking to these 3 people, these 3 comedians. It was quite fun. I really hope कि आप लोगों ने भी काफी enjoy किया होगा ये segment of Never Have I Ever. And also, be home, stay safe, and I shall see you soon on next segment of Never Have I Ever with me, Vishaka Pandit. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.